FRIGIDAIRE FFRE2533U2 25,000 BTU 230V window-mounted heavy-duty temperature sensing remote control air conditioner, white. Dimensions: exterior 26 17 30 seconds watts x 26 5 16 dx 18 5 8 h window width 30 41 cutout width 26 17 30 seconds cutout height 18 5 8 25,000 high 24,700 low BTU heavy-duty air conditioner for window-mounted installation. Special 230V electrical outlet required. Unit will not work with a standard 115V outlet. Quickly cools a room up to 1,600 sq-ft. Dehumidification up to 3 pints per hour. 2016 Energy Star 10.3 energy efficiency ratio. Here. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.